So our next topic is spherical mirrors. The reflecting surface of a mirror is a part of a sphere. Such mirrors are known as spherical mirrors. The reflecting surface of a sphere. Mirror is a part of a sphere. Okay, the reflecting surface is a part of a sphere. Then it is known as a spherical mirror. Okay, it's taken from a sphere. It's a sphere. If the reflecting surface is taken from a sphere, so this one is a sphere. If this portion is taken, then if only this portion is taken, if this portion is taken, then that is a spherical mirror. That's a part of a sphere. That's known as a spherical mirror. If the reflecting surface is curved inwards, this surface is a part of a sphere. If it is curved inwards, the surface is curved inwards, this line, shaded line, shows that part is not reflecting the light. That part will not reflect the light. Only this portion will reflect the light. Only this portion will reflect the light. This portion will not reflect the light. So this portion is curved inwards. This portion is curved inwards. That's known as concave mirror. If the reflecting surface is curved inwards, that's known as a concave mirror. Now, if the reflecting surface is curved outwards, this surface will reflect the light. This surface will reflect the light, and this surface will not reflect the light. This surface is curved outwards. The surface is curved outwards. So that type of mirror is known as convex mirror. So two types of spherical mirrors are there for you to study in this chapter. One is concave mirror and the other one is convex mirror. Concave mirror means the reflecting surface is curved inwards. Reflecting surface is curved inwards. Convex mirror means the reflecting surface is curved outwards. The reflecting surface is curved outwards. That's a convex mirror. Now, in this, here you can see, this is a concave mirror. This portion, this darker portion will reflect the light. This darkly shaded portion will reflect the light, and it's curved inwards. That's a concave mirror. Then this portion, here in this diagram, this darker portion will reflect the light, and that is curved outwards. So that's a convex mirror. Now, so many terms are there related to spherical mirror. First one is a pole, second one is a center of curvature, third one is a radius of curvature, fourth one is a principal axis. So here, this one is concave mirror and this one is convex mirror. All these terms are similar, same for both mirrors. So this surface is curved inwards. It's a sphere that this surface is curved inwards. So that's a concave mirror. Pole of the mirror means center of the reflecting surface. center of the reflecting surface. That is known as the pole of the mirror. Normally it is represented by the letter capital P. Normally it is represented by the letter capital P. Now, spherical mirror means it's a part of a sphere. Spherical mirror means it's a part of a sphere. So, the sphere will have a center. That center is known as the center of curvature. That center is known as the center of curvature. Now, spherical mirror is taken from a sphere. That sphere will have a center, and that center is known as the center of curvature. And that center of curvature for concave mirror will be in front of the mirror. The center of curvature for concave mirror will be in front of the mirror. Center of curvature will be in front of the mirror for concave. So, it's a sphere, it's having a center. That center is known as the center of curvature. Now, sphere, spherical mirror is a part of a sphere. So, it's radius of that sphere. Radius of that sphere is known as the radius of curvature. Radius of that sphere from which the spherical mirror is taken, either concave or convex. So, that is known as the radius of curvature. Okay, radius of curvature. Then, principal axis. Principal axis. That is a straight line passing through the center of curvature and the pole of the mirror. That's a straight line passing through the center of curvature and pole of the mirror. That is known as principal axis. Principal axis. So, these four terms, all these terms are similar for concave and convex. Now, I explain for concave mirror. Now, I will explain for convex mirror. So, this portion is the convex mirror because it's curved outwards. The reflecting surface is curved outwards. Center of this reflecting surface is known as the pole of the mirror. It's represented by the letter capital P. So, the spherical mirror is taken from a sphere. It's having a center. That center is known as the center of curvature of the spherical mirror, and for convex mirror, the center of curvature is behind the mirror. Center of curvature is behind the mirror. For convex mirror, it is behind the mirror. Then, radius of the sphere, the radius of the sphere of which the reflecting surface of a spherical mirror forms a part, that is known as the radius of curvature. Normally, it is represented by capital R. So, this is the radius of curvature, means the radius of the sphere from which the spherical mirror is taken. That is known as the radius of curvature. Then, principal axis is a straight line passing through the center of curvature and the pole of the mirror. It's a straight line passing through the center of curvature and pole of the spherical mirror. That's a principal axis. Actually, the principal axis is normal to the mirror at the pole. The principal axis is normal to the mirror at this pole. It's at 90-degree angle. Okay, the principal axis means the straight line is This principal axis is a straight line normal to this point, that is normal to the pole. Next is aperture, that is a diameter of the reflecting surface. Diameter of the reflecting surface, that is known as a aperture. Here this portion will reflect the light. This portion will reflect the light. So the diameter of this reflecting surface, diameter of this reflecting surface, that is known as the aperture. Then principal focus of concave and convex mirror. Principal focus of convex and concave mirror. First I will explain convex mirror. After that I will explain concave mirror. Okay.